There's another product from Oraimo. We have been reviewing a lot of products from Oraimo. This Oraimo Watch Nova AM. You can watch the review, everything about it, right in the comment section or the description. Yes, everything is there. But now we have Oraimo Smart Folding Fan. Yes, let's unbox and then let's see what we have inside right here. So just subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. With the inside, they are protecting the device as well, which is very, very good. I've been saying this, Oraimo is good at packaging, and this is also showing you that yes, they have done it again and they will keep doing it. So inside the box we have, yes, we have these two things and nothing left in the box. So this is Oraimo small size big chill smart folding fan. All right, so let's go here. Let's take this off. This is just a protective case for the device. Yes. Now we have the AC, the charger, and it is a Type-C charger. Wow, that's very good because nowadays most of our devices comes with Type-C. So if a fan has a Type-C, I can give this 8/10 whilst I haven't even reviewed the device. Right, now let's get into it right here. Okay, so from the side of it we have this. This bag is not a toy. Warning, to avoid danger of suffocating, do not use in cribs, beds, baby carriages or playpens. Tear up the bag before throwing away. Okay, so yes, they are trying to tell us that this bag is not something that we should use after taking it from the package. Okay, we should destroy it. So we have to destroy it. It's not a carrying bag. In all, that's what they are trying to say. It's not a carrying bag. Just straight away after unboxing. Okay, you can burn it. It is just simple. Now there's the device. There's the Oraimo Smart Fan. So let's see how it goes right here. Okay, it goes like this. Then it will sit in. Okay, and then let's see, we have the Oraimo remote right here. Okay, so let's go one after the other. Okay, so we have the device right here. Let me bring it up. Okay, there's the device, and then we have this, which is the manual. Okay, the manual here, and after that we have the remote control right here, which is very simple and so circular. Okay, and they have made it in a way that this remote will fit right here. So as you can see, although inside of it we have buttons that you can press to turn on, off, and a lot. So as I review it, I will let you know of everything. I'll be showing you all the features that the device comes with. So just don't worry. I'll show you all the device features, the good, the bad, as well later in another review. But this one, I'm going to show you some of the specifications about the device, and then later the review will follow. So just make sure you like the video and subscribe so that you can get update and everything about this smart folding fan. So now that we are done with the remote, let's go to the device itself. Okay, so it comes with how many blades right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, it comes with 7 blades with the Oraimo smart folding fan. And as you saw from the beginning, you can fold this way. Okay, any way that you want, you can fold it this way, or this, or this, or that. And with the adjustments, you can also increase the length of it like this by just pulling it. Okay, it is very, very tight with the pulling, just to avoid how. Okay, they have to make it tight so that you'll be able to adjust it to any level without falling. You see, with some devices, when you are adjusting it, always it comes with this adjustment screws that you'll be able to tighten. But with this, since it is not coming with that, it has its own inside adjustment feature, okay, that can help you adjust it to any level without it falling. But as I said, we will just take a look at it and review will come. So the review will have everything. At the back of it, we have this where you pull, then you can do it in this way. That means maybe you are you want to travel, you want to take it along, you want to fold it, you just have to pull this right here. After pulling, then you can take or you can bend it this way, okay? So you can only bend it this way after pulling this. So when you just do it this way, when you just bring it back, it will lock and it will avoid coming or bending itself, okay? So yes, if there is anything that does not go well, as well, let me know in the comment section. We are doing reviews and also unboxing, so anything that goes wrong, just let me know so that we can improve upon it. Now, one thing that is really amazing is when you look down at the bottom of it, it comes with a power on, a power switch, power off switch, okay? Power on, power off, and then also the ports where you're going to charge this device, okay? So we have a charging port right here and then a power key right here. Down it, we have this to also stabilize it to avoid shaking or moving around, okay? And also it comes with its own light. So I will turn it on, but first I will need to charge it so that I will avoid damaging the device. So I'll charge it first. After that, I will turn it on and show you the speed and everything that you need to know. Just subscribe and more videos will become right here on this platform. So for now, this is all that I can talk about with the Oraimo SmartFolding fan. So here we are going to use the remote to control the device, and we are going to start with the light of the Oraimo smart fan. So with the light, it comes with just one straight color temperature light right here, as you can see on your screen, okay? So just one color and that's all. So right now it is on and it is just at the base of it. Now we are going to test the speed and we are going to begin with 1. So this is 1, okay, this is 1, and you can see it from here. So 1, let's go to 2, and review and everything will come later. So just subscribe to know whether this device is good for you to buy it or not. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the last one, 8. So the 8 is the highest speed, or that is the turbo speed on the remote, okay? So that's the turbo speed and that's the level 8. So it comes with 8 wind speed and I can feel it. I don't know whether you can hear me or not. Let me turn this off. So yes, it comes with 8 wind speed. So there is the Oraimo smart fan, folding fan, okay? So just subscribe and then I will let you know whether it is good for you to purchase it or not.